Hello everyone, my name is Ankita and today I want to share my memory of May 3rd. May 3rd has been very special to me because two of the biggest incidents in my life uh, have happened around May 3rd. One was my engagement to my husband in 2015 on May 2nd, and last year I got the news of having conceived my daughter on May 6th. So while these could be happy coincidences, I firmly believe that these have been answers to my prayer to the Gohanzon. And each time I think of May 3rd, it gives me a little bit of extra cheer, thinking that two of the most important incidents in my life have happened around this. So just wanted to share this memory. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka Naik and I've been practicing for the last 3 years. May 3rd, also known as Soka Gakkai Day, signifies a day of fresh hope, aspirations and a day to reaffirm our faith in the practice and forge ahead in the efforts of Kosunufu with dedicated and steadfast faith. It's a day to put all faith in practice and remain undefeated. On this May 3rd, I make a vow to overcome my health karma with my faith and efforts and continue in practice even when I face health challenges and when in all circumstances, whether personal or professional. I have received tremendous good fortune because of the practice and hope I give back with my heart to my fellow members and humanity as large. Thank you.
Okay, so May 3rd. May 3rd, as we all know, is a time when disciples renew their vow to their mentor. And for me, it has also been all the more special because it was exactly on this May 3rd in 2009 that I encountered this wonderful life-changing philosophy. And exactly the very next May 3rd in 2010, I was also made the MC. And this memory is something which I will carry with me for as long as I practice, as long as I live, because it gave me so much confidence and self-belief that if I just made the effort, I could actually achieve anything which I was capable of. So on this May 3rd, especially it being the 60th anniversary of our beloved Ikeda Sensei's inauguration as the president of the Soka Gakkai International, the third president actually, I really want to make this a celebration of, the walking the path of oneness of mentor and disciple and never losing out on that determination, no matter what may happen. Thank you.
My first encounter with Nichiren Buddhism happened when a member friend took me as a guest on May 3rd, 3 years ago. The campaign started with powerful waves of members chanting together joyfully. The valiant leaders and members' spirit was very inspiring and an encouraging aspect. Then the members started reading their experiences of victories with overflowing confidence. My friend kept in touch and explained more about the significance of Buddhism. She often home visited me with booklets, liturgy, and spent time to chant with me. Her compassion and forging ties of trust and friendship made me become a member of New Friend. I did take a bold step forward with lots of hope. As May 3rd is celebrated as Mr. Toda's inauguration and Mr. Ikeda's becoming presidents, it is also recognized as Mother's Day as women play a crucial role in Soka Gakkai. This made me realize my role as a woman. As often I found myself swamped with new tasks of homemaking and child rearing after work. To stand up undefeated and continue to be strong is a harsh reality. I vow to be a woman striving with devotion and pray earnestly for health, prosperity of all people and members around me. Thank you.
I am Sachita. May 3rd is a very special day for me. We all know May 3rd is the day when we renew our vow to our mentor and we make fresh determinations. This was something I didn't understand in meetings that I attended before, the real significance of May 3rd. Last year when I attended the May 3rd meeting. Our entire district had come together as one to practice for the meeting and to prepare for all the performances. There was so much excitement and so much energy, and everybody came forward with full gusto to give their best. We were all practicing together, we were all chanting together. There was so much unity that I experienced, there was so much oneness that I experienced in that preparation, that truly I felt at that point that I belonged to this organization, that this is my real place, and I really had an amazing connection and a deep connection last May 3rd meeting, which is very hard to explain in words. All I can say is that this May 3rd, I just want to make a fresh determination to really strive hard in my faith, in my practice, and my study, and report many victories to my